Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to our channel. Today I'm doing a hair care routine on my daughter's hair. For starters, I'm going to shampoo her hair with the Cantu for Kids Nourishing Shampoo. Also, I like to wash Taylor's hair twice just to get all the gook and dirt out and just to give her a good head massage. Now that her hair is all nice and clean, I'm going to pat dry her hair. And then we're going to use the Cantu for Kids conditioner. They have leave-in conditioner, but this one is not. And I like to use a lot of conditioner from the roots to the very ends of her hair to make sure every strand of hair is covered so it can be nice and soft. And after about 3 to 5 minutes, I go ahead and rinse out that conditioner with cool water. Now it's time to style Taylor's hair. I only use a spray bottle of water, 100% coconut oil, and I also use the Cantu for Kids detangler, and I also use some type of oil for her scalp. So for starters, I'm going to spray her hair with water all over to make the detangling process easier, and I'm using a wide tooth comb to do so. So for this video, I'm going to do a very simple style. I'm going to part her hair from her ear to the other end and do 2 ponytails in the front and 2 in the back. Also, Taylor does have some thin parts in her hair, which is one of the sides I'm working on right now. And that's when I go in and use the other coconut oil. It's very good to always oil your child's scalp to make it grow healthier. Now that I have Taylor's hair parted into 4 sections, I'm going to start with the first ponytail, making sure everything is all moisturized and detangled. Now I'm going to brush out all the baby hairs that are not going to make it into the ponytail, so I have a nice and smooth, sleek ponytail. And I wrap the rubber band around her hair a few times. It's not tight, so make sure you do not have tight ponytails. You don't want to put too much tension on the baby's scalp. Now that her ponytail is nice and detangled, I'm going to go in and separate the hair and start 2-strand twisting. As you can see, I'm doing the same detangling process I did to the front 2 ponytails to the back 2, spraying detangler on the puff to make sure it's all detangled. Taylor is being so well behaved in this video. I am so surprised because she fuss every day when it's time to do her hair. Now I'm officially done with Taylor's hair. I'm just going in with my rat tooth comb and my spray bottle just to make sure all the flyaways are intact and her hair is nice and smooth. We are officially done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below, and please subscribe to our channel.